How to read messages on Messenger without being seen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the privacy and safety option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the option for Read Receipts. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Show Read Receipts, and with this, people will not be able to see when you have read their messages and you will not be able to see when they have read your message. So this is how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.